Hey everyone, my name is Felicia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be giving you 3 productivity hacks to take your life from okay to thriving. So let's hop right into it. The number one tip is to plan as much of your day the night before. So plan as much as you can the night before. What are you gonna wear? What are you gonna eat tomorrow? How you gonna do your hair? What accessories? What do you need to pack to be ready to get out the door? Do as much of that the night prior so that when you wake up in the morning, you have more mental space to do the things that you don't or that you cannot take care of the night before. Because here is why. We only get so much amount of energy, right? Each day we only get so much amount of energy. And if you burn through that energy in the morning making tedious small decisions, it's still burning through the energy. However, if you create a system and you plan the night before, then you are kind of like on autopilot. So you have more time to think and give that energy to things that you care about and you love. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Tip number 2 is to create a daily schedule. So I'm going to tell you my system. I go by the block system. So I have block tasks that I do for my morning tasks, afternoon, evening, and nighttime. You can also plan your schedule out by, the hours. You can plan it out by personal, work, etc. You can plan your routine however you would like, but just get a routine and a schedule going, okay? Why? It's very similar to the first tip. We are, we're human, okay? Our brain is constantly going, especially now with social media and, society. Like, we are fast paced. So give yourself a little bit of room to, be while having a schedule. Because let me tell you something. I don't know how people be out here just waking up and going through life. Man, my brain be like, girl, we have no schedule. You expect us to do things without a schedule? Every day you want to do something complete. You just want to get up and go. Okay, that's all good and fine, but let me just tell you something. For the people that feel like, things may be a little bit out of control, try a schedule. And the third productivity tip is to create a top 3. You cannot accomplish everything. You are not a superhero. You are not a superhero. You cannot accomplish everything in one freaking day.